The software processes. Now, software process or software processes. First, you have to look at the figure, but we will be discussing it while we are discussing about the model. But the process is not one thing. It is collection of certain activities. What are the different activities different teams will perform? What are the actions you are going to take? I'll give you example of all these. And the tasks that are performed. Because you are creating some product. So whenever you are creating some work product means the product which is working. For that you have to do certain activities, certain action and task, and you combine them. That will be called as a process. And that is nothing but a software process. So let me tell you again, a process is the collection of activity, action and task for certain work product. So let us start with the activity, because there are three things involved which I have already underlined. So activity is achieving a certain broad or big objective. That is, let us take an example. Communication with stakeholders, communication with your customer. So stakeholders are basically, they may not be your customer, they are your customer, but they are people who are involved. They have profit and gain involved. They are connected to this production. So along with your customer, there are people who are called as stakeholders. So this activity, which is, as I said, having a broad objective, this, for example, communication, it has to be done for every project. Even if you go to medical field or say medical software or your automobile software, whatever will be the size of project, whether it is complex or simple or any kind of degree it has for the rigorousness, activity will be done. Okay, so a process defines who is doing what, when and how to reach a certain goal. Now there are three things, okay, in the process. What are action? The action, let us take an example also here. So action are certain small or you can say certain set of tasks. And when we combine these tasks, we are getting a major work product. For example, there are people who are in design, they are making architecture design. So when they combine this design, you are going to get the architectural design model of the software. Coming to the third part of process, task. Now task focuses on a small, not very big, means minute or small, but whatever smallness they have, they are well defined objective they have. For example, you made a very small code, say a function, and then you will do a unit test. So it will give you a tangible outcome whether test is pass or failed. So the process we talked about is not a rigid having criteria. Any kind of rigidness is not there, because it is adaptable. Okay, if someone has to make a software in 2 months, someone has to make in 1 year, so the process may change. So the software team, those who are making the project, they can pick and choose, they can finalize what kind of actions they have to take, what kind of tasks they are going to apply. So software process are not rigid, because the basic idea, the intent is to deliver a quality software timely. Not just timely delivery, but with the quality aspect.